flames reflect in hollow eyes, where angels burn and truth denies. Chains dissolve in tongues of fire, corrupted hearts are choir empire. Every sin becomes a key, unlocking what we're meant to be. Hell to the hell where the shadows sing, baptized in flames, unshackled things. From darkened soil we rise again. Through cursed light we find our name. Smoke curls soft around the bones, whispered vows and undertones. 1,000 souls in crimson streams feed the pulse of